to my channel. Today is day 12 of our journey building a Flask blog from scratch. So today I want to talk about dates and times in our application. In our application now only displays the raw timestamp. It doesn't show the relative time, how many minutes or hours or days ago a certain post or certain event happened. Usually when you go to a social media application, you see relative time. You see minutes, seconds, hours ago. So before you see that functionality, we need to install a package or a library called Flask Moment, our application. So what you would do is I already installed it here. You would say pip install Flask Moment. And after you install it, you go to your main init file where the create app function exists. And first you would import the Flask Moment library. Then you register inside the create app here. After that, you go to your main templates folder. Inside the templates folder, you go to the base HTML where all other templates in your application inherit from. And at the top, inside the head section, include the moment library here, the moment.include a moment here, and that's all you need. After that, you go to any template that shows a timestamp and show the relative time. Here I use in this event, in our events list, I showed the event timestamp. You can use anywhere where you have a timestamp from your database. You can say moment, and inside the parentheses, you enter the timestamp and you say from now. If we go to our application, here is the profile page for our application. I have to restart the application. Flask run. So when I refresh it, I go to the user page, and here are the events that this particular user, this logged in user, did. The recent followers, the recent following it did, and the recent unfollow, people that they unfollowed. So here I only set this event. Here you can see 15 hours ago. In other raw timestamps, we don't see a relative time here. We see June 2nd, 2025 at 6:02. So we don't know how many hours or seconds or days ago this time was, because every country and every region, they have their own time zones. And Flask Moment provides you a very useful way to show a relative time. So I'm going to change all the events and I will set it, and I will post the code in my GitHub account so you can see how all the events and all the timestamps are shown in relative time. So please look at that, and please subscribe if you find this series helpful. Please help me out. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, and please give the video a like. If you have any questions, comment please, and I will see you tomorrow for a new topic.